Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, May 22nd. This is my analysis for the Euro Yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So yesterday I said that the euro yen probably is going to go back down again and retest this 78%. This is a pretty crucial point because if it keeps going down and gives us a break of structure, then that probably is a trend reversal, and I definitely would, after the break of structure, start looking for sorts. But if it's going to do like I said yesterday, and this is really an A, B, C, then it should respect this area and it should turn back up. If it does respect that area and turn back up, that's a higher low, unlike the daily, and that's probably going to be the continuation of the uptrend entry that I am looking for. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, I'm definitely paying attention to this area right here. I mean, if it takes out these lows and then reverses back up and starts giving us a break of structure, then that probably is the completion of an A, three waves up for a B, and then down for a C. And if that really is the completion of an ABC, then most likely it would go up and it would take out the previous highs and it would continue that daily, weekly time frame uptrend that we're currently in. And like I said, if it does decide to go down and give us a break of structure, then fine. The market is the only one that knows best, and I will be more than happy to start looking for sorts after the break of structure. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.